So as we look at this, we break this word down in, as I like to do in the pictograph, to be able to see what that reveals to us. And it's no surprise to me when I see what I see here. The word Pesach in the pictograph it is represented by a pei, a shemek, and a het. And what the pei means, it represents the mouth, and it means blow or scatter. The shemek is representative of a thorn, and it means to grab or protect. And then the final letter is the het. It means a tent wall. It represents a tent wall, and it means outside or divide. So when we look at this Pesach, it means that the mouth, it blows and it scatters. It's a thorn that grabs and protects as the wall divides and it protects us. It's amazing when you see how this represents during this time of Pesach and how we see each letter, what it's doing, how he spoke and how he delivered, how he divided the waters, how he did all of the things that he did to protect his people and to put a wall of protection around them during this time.